Hey, it's a morning walk. Holy crap, man. It's, It's 6:30. The first time I am seeing the sea, man. It's the first time. Just look at this damn water, man. It's really blue. Holy crap. Woo. The waves are coming. Hey. Okay. It's really hard to move on this sand. Hey, man. It's really sand, yeah. Oi. Hey, यहाँ बिचमा आइपुग्यो आज चाहिँ अलिक वेदर ठिक छैन रहेछ वेदर स्लो भयो स्विमिङ गर्नु पाउँदैन अरे स्विमिङ गर्ने टेन्सन छैन रातभरि सुतेको छैन है त्यहाँहरू छाल कत्रो आउँछ त्यहाँ ह्याप है आवाज खतरा आउने रहेछ यहाँ Hello everybody, I'm on the sea, okay? On the beach, swimming not at all. So, see you, मजा आइरहेछ
Right hook, body blow, uppercut. Move your body, feel the energy. Pack it out, get in the ring. Hit it with a pow, get in the ring. Hit it with a pow. Switch up, hit it with a pow. Keep your hands up and move your feet. Yeah, stick a move, throw the jab, uppercut, then hit it with the left. Pow. Keep your hands up and move your feet. Yeah, stick a move, throw the jab, uppercut.
अहिले आगो लागिरहेछ होइन घर फर्किनु हिँड्न नि गाह्रो यो मासु फर्केर होइन खुट्टाको मासु तन्क्यो क्या हो